Hi guys, hi everyone. Today we'll have a quick research on what's going on with the markets, and I want to share with you some ideas that I have for today. First of all, this is the last week of May, and we don't have any triggers that will help us to understand where markets go. If last week we had some risks about the world inflation, today you can see by statistics that inflation risks are really low, and this is, it's not okay if in one week market has been really crazy about all those inflation risks, and the next week it's not that big deal. So what we should do, we should take into account all the technical reasons that help us to trade. If you want to trade with the news, it means that you want to trade with the long-term ideas or middle-term ideas, but not intraday, not intra-week. This last week of May shows us a possibility to stay intraday on like 15-minute charts, on 30-minute charts, but it's not even good to trade 4-hour charts. What market shows us right now, all the tendencies that we had during the month are still okay. It means that American dollar index is still going down. If we look a quick moment at euro is still getting up to 123.50. This is my target for euro. If we take into account Great Britain pound, I'm not ready to trade until they don't break 142 level, and this is a level of resistance that we are going to use, and above 142 we are ready to trade up to 143, 44, and so on. My target goes up to 146, and this is not the target for June or for September. This is the technical target that I see market will try to reach after they go through 142. So we're not in a hurry to say that this is a week for the Great Britain pound, because there are, well, actually not meant that news this week. We are going to have some news from America on Thursday, and also we are going to have some news about the PMI next week on May 31st and June 1st. So for this week, I would say that this is not a period to trade and stay within your middle term ideas. If you want to earn some money, you have to go intraday. About the gold, okay, all those inflation risks made gold go up to 1,808. Right now, the price has been around that high price, but not breaking it. Only after they break, so they step over that level, you can go further up to 1,950 or not earlier. So that's how it works for me right now. If you are gonna discuss some good trading ideas, take a look at indexes, American indexes. They're being really high, and if you heard all the inflation risks and you saw, for example, how Bitcoin went down, Ethereum went down, American indexes tried to go to correction, but they didn't go on a deep correction. They touched all those tendencies that begin in March 2020, so like more than a year ago. All the prices touched the tendencies and went back. It means that market is not ready to give you a big correction. What we have as a huge problem as an amount of investors and traders who are new to the market, and all those gamification for all this trading opportunities for you now can easily send your money from your bank account to any broker, and you start to invest, you start to trade. This is a problem because you know that as easier it is, it takes less time, it takes less hours, less fee to send your money to start trading. It doesn't make you just think that you have to learn how to trade, and this is a problem. In Russia, in America, in Europe, there are a lot of people who start to trade, start to invest, and they're not getting too deep into this situation. For example, like I have a headache. I know what kind of medicine I have to take. Does it make me to become a doctor? No, I'm not a doctor. I'm still not a doctor. If I have some problem, I go to hospital and I ask for help from people who are qualified to be someone who will treat me. But I'm not a doctor if I know what kind of medicine to take from a headache. So please take into account this example. If you know how to buy something or sell something, that doesn't make you a good trader or investor. It still keeps you really close to a risk that you will lose your money. So if you discuss the Bitcoin situation, the Ethereum situation, there are a lot of traders around me and even close people close to me who said, "Oh my God, you got to be really stupid not to get profit from the market when it goes up." Everyone is getting profit when market goes up. But we saw a situation when Bitcoin and Ethereum went down, and they made a really huge correction. The Bitcoin went under the 30 level, and now it's 38,000. But a lot of people started to buy it, like when it was 58, 62, 45 level, 39 level, just starting to buy. It means that people are not ready for technical situations. They're not ready to understand what's going on with the markets. They're just trying to do something, not knowing the product, not knowing the specification of this instrument. So what I would like to advise you is to pay more attention to technical reasons of trading, and only after that to trade or invest. Well, about the Virgin Galactics, there are a lot of people who ask me, after the stock went up, from 13th of May, it went up around 34%, 74%, yeah. It's kind of high. What is my target? It's around 50, but it's a really long-term target. 50 level from current like $20 per stock level. It's really far from my price, but it doesn't mean that we have to buy right now. There were some news. There was a correction, upgoing correction to and a reaction to this news, and after that, price stopped a little bit. It means that now more people will get to know what happened, and they will try to invest. Why? Because of this problem that I told you. More people are able to trade easier and easier. So there are more people who are not really into trading, but they hear something and they feel like, oh, I can try to invest there, and they put their money and stocks will go up. So yeah, Virgin Galactic looks like a really nice opportunity for the close period to earn some money. Talking about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm still not okay buying those instruments. Talking about all those reversal situations that we should sell stocks, we should sell indexes. I'm following day by day. I'm following all those technical reasons for tendencies, and before they don't break tendencies, I'm not gonna say let's get out of there. I'm actually not being really active trading indexes because I don't like them giving us a correction, and I don't feel like May is a good period to trade all those indexes. I feel like they can show us new maximum prices. There really is, and this is something that I would like to discuss, and I can show you some technical reasons for us to trade. For example, if you go to S&P 500, the close target for us is around this area. It's like 4,300. So this is the target that you can put as a take profit for you. If you go to 1 hour chart, you can see that price is trying to break every level of resistance, and it's going up really easy. So what do? You just press the line, you put the tendency on 1 hour chart, and while price is being in this outgoing tendency, you're still okay to go up and buy. If you go to Dow Jones, I can't say that this is the best period for us to trade it or buy it. No, it's not. But you can see that those who sell are really weak, and it means that price may still show new maximum levels. Well, your first target is 35,000. I would say that it's really good to trade only when they break 35,000 and they go above that area, okay? Not right now. But if you feel like you want to trade, you have to follow all those levels that are important on 1 hour chart, on 4 hour chart, and now market is being above that level. What do? You draw this tendency, and it's on 1 hour chart, and while price is being above this tendency, you're still okay to go up and buy up to 35,000. About the Nasdaq, I showed you this level of support. It's 13,360, and I told you that my risk to this situation goes up to 12,430. Well, I was really afraid that price may go over here. But right now we can see that price is breaking the tendency, testing the Ishimoku cloud, and it's sitting on the Ishimoku cloud as a good support, and now it's going up. For example, we did not buy. What we should do? We see that price is breaking this 13,680 area, so above this area they will try to reach 14,050. So that's what it looks like. I don't see good sell signals right now, and it means that they still may show you new maximum prices, and this is something that you can be into until they don't give you reversal and they don't give you the as a problem, they rebound from huge levels. You see higher levels as a target, and it's something that you can use. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you big profits, and I would like to remind you that there are not that many news that you can use as a trading signal right now, so be really easy. In the last week of this month, you should be really easy with the trade and don't try to catch every moment, because market is not ready to go in some way, and it's not ready to show you some way that you should buy and hold or sell and hold. You got to be really careful with the trading. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.